place in North Dakota tonight. It's April the 14th, a little after 7 o'clock. I snuck in here and got behind these turkeys. They're out in the field. There's turkeys everywhere, like 4 different big shooter toms. Snuck into the blind, got the decoys out. And I'm gonna try some calling, see if we can't coax one away from those hens and get a shot before it's dark. So hang with me, let's crush one. finished that one. They were all nice. I didn't care. I just shot the one. I hope I got it on video because I know they were coming through. I was about to lose him, so I tried to stop him, and he didn't stop, so I let him have it. He went 10 yards and died. You can't ask for anything better than that. Now I got a hen that's 10 feet from the blind coming right in. What an incredible night. Turkeys everywhere. Holy smokes. Thank you, God. What an awesome, awesome hunt.
Well, recovered my bird. We snuck out of there without scaring everything off, so that was a good thing. Hopefully we can get my buddy Sean Forthen down here in the morning, get him on a nice bird too. There's plenty of birds in the area. They all roosted right above the blind. We're gonna try to pack his in and get on top of them again, but my gosh, what an amazing hunt tonight. Turkeys everywhere, deer coming through, coming and going. Big toms strutting and spitting and drumming right by the blind. I had 3 big toms within 15 yards. I could have shot any one of them, and just an amazing, incredible hunt. This could be the smallest of the 3, and I honestly wouldn't bother me a bit because he's huge to me. Big beard, good spurs, and when they were coming in side by side, I took one last glance at the video camera to make sure he was in the frame because I was self-filming. He was in there just about ready to get through my shooting lane. I tried to stop him with my mouth. He wouldn't stop, so I let him have it. And he went maybe 10 yards, piled up, and the other toms kind of hung around. One was kind of pecking at him, messing with him a little bit, but just an amazing, amazing hunt. North Dakota, April 14th of 2015, and we're tagged out, baby.